everyone, welcome back again to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. Hope you guys are doing good today. Hope everyone is staying safe at home or staying safe wherever you are. So thank you so much for tuning in once more. Like I said before, if you are new here, just go ahead to click the subscribe button to join the family. Give this video a big thumbs up. Do not also forget to share the video to friends and family, and also leave a comment of what you think about this video and also what you want to see up next on this channel. Today's video is a side cornrow inspiration video or tutorial that you can try on both children and adults. Okay, we'll allow you guys to just watch and get a better view of this video. And yeah,
could be alone tonight, baby. I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Just to make me feel, can I wanted something real, to just escape for a moment, trying everything to make me heal. You and I thought we had a deal. If I have you, I'm not lonely. But if you wanna go sometime, if you wanna leave this town, baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Tell me if you wanna go sometime. Yeah, we could be alone tonight. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Can't stay this high, yeah. Oh my God, can't stay this high with you, yeah. Oh my God, can't stay this high, yeah. Oh my God, can't stay this high with you, yeah. Stay high for the most of the time. Meet a stranger, jump right in your car. Waking up on your sofa next to half-filled bottles from last night. I don't even know where we are. I'm naked and I don't know you. But if you wanna go sometime, if you wanna leave this town, baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Tell me if you wanna go sometime. Yeah, we could be alone tonight. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Just to make me feel, can I wanted something real, to just escape for a moment, trying everything to lost, I'm fading now. Tell me if you wanna go sometime. Yeah, we could be alone tonight. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Stay high for the most of the time. Meet a stranger, jump right in your car. Waking up on your sofa next to half-filled bottles from last night. I don't even know where we are. I'm naked and I don't know you. But if you wanna go sometime, if you wanna leave this town, baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Tell me if you wanna go sometime. Yeah, we could be alone tonight. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Just to make me feel again, I wanted something real. So just escape for a moment, trying everything to make me heal. You and I thought we had a deal. If I have you, I'm not lonely. But if you wanna go sometime, if you wanna leave this town, baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Tell me if you wanna go sometime. Yeah, we could be alone tonight. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Stay high for the most of the time. Meet a stranger, jump right in your car. Waking up on your sofa next to half-filled bottles from last night. I don't even.
So yeah, yeah, thank you so much for watching this video to the end. This is the final look. Hope it's helpful. Hope you learned something from this video. Please, if you did, just go ahead to click the subscribe button if you are new here, and give the video a big thumbs up. Also share the video to friends and family, and leave a comment in the comment section. We'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, and stay blessed and stay safe.
Stop fading now, baby, I'm lost, stop fading now.